Hi everyone, I am Bandula Dharmadasa, the creator of Chiptro IDE, and today I am going to introduce one of the exciting new features we have added, the control panel. But first, for those of you who are new here, Chiptro IDE is a modern, professional yet beginner-friendly integrated development environment designed specifically for embedded systems development. It supports popular microcontroller platforms including ESP32, STM32 and Arduino, streamlining the entire workflow from coding to debugging to flashing. Now, if you have worked with embedded systems, you know the pain. You write your code, flash your board, then open a separate serial monitor, maybe a third-party plotter, just to see what your hardware is actually doing. It is scattered, it's clunky, and it breaks your flow. That's why we built the control panel, a real-time dashboard built right into the IDE that lets you monitor and interact with your hardware without ever leaving your workspace. You can visualize sensor data, toggle outputs, send commands, and see your device respond all in real time, all in one place. And that's the control panel in action. No external tools, no extra setup, just a direct real-time connection between you and your hardware, right where you write your code. Now, the control panel is just one part of our bigger vision, bringing everything an embedded developer needs into a single platform. We have also added ChartViz for advanced data visualization and a schematic editor for circuit design, which I will be covering in upcoming videos. If you would like to try Chiptro IDE for yourself, head over to our website. The link is in the description. And if you found this useful, a like and subscribe would really help us reach more developers in the embedded community. Thanks for watching and happy building.